Alright, so I've been saying I'm going to do a tour of my mobile van here, so I'm going to shoot a quick tour today. So here's the van. It's a 1995 GMC P3500 van, step van. As you can see, I bought this. I did a ton of work to it. I put on the suspension under the front, a brand new engine in it. But that's the van. We'll get in here. I keep my little Sun X Roadster jack right there. Some oil chalks. This is a tent, like an 8x8 tent to put up, a little canopy if it's raining or something. That's all my scan tools. I did a video on that case if you want to see what's in there. This is my nice blue seat. Here's the pilot seat. I got my little Milwaukee fan here. A little power inverter that I just run some stuff off of. Shut that door to keep some of the noise out. But yeah, I just have this power inverter hooked up. It's not a very big one. It's mainly just to charge my batteries and a couple lights. So it's basically just running back here. And then here is the van. I got some curtains here that I can kind of close to keep eyes out of here. The way that, you know, they can't see in. I keep it in a safe location, so I'm not too worried about anyone getting into it, hopefully. I just keep some stuff here for some of my paperwork, a little computer that I do estimates on, some little shelves, battery tester. I got a couple lights up here that I have on. If I need more light in here, I should probably turn them on now, but I'm not going to. Keep a couple things over here, flashlight. I got a jump pack. I got a little battery backup pack down there. I keep a generator down there, a fire extinguisher in case this thing catches on fire. Hopefully that doesn't happen. This is going to be kind of a scattered video. There's so much stuff in this van. I got a Milwaukee box here. These boxes are really nice. As you can see, I kind of built a base down here, and I have storage underneath it. All of this stuff is bolted to the ground in several locations all around and bolted everywhere. Everything's very secure. Nothing's going anywhere. As you can see, I mean, it shakes the whole van. I got a big funnel to put in a drain pan if I'm doing a service so I don't screw up people's driveways. This is my oil jug. Kind of keep it wedged in there as just a place to hold it. But yeah, Milwaukee box. I got screwdrivers, a bunch of different random equipment, oil filter wrenches, some other stuff. This is not going to be an in-depth tour, just kind of showing you guys what I got. I can't really show you this drawer because there's something top secret in there. There's my Milwaukee stuff. I think I'm missing a couple things out of there right now. Then I got this little Husky box over here. It's a decent box. I mean, I think for every box in here, it kind of, the fact that it holds up in this van as I'm driving around is a testament to the box. So here's, this is a bunch of taps, dies, extractors, thread chasers, different things like that. This is all stuff you need when you're out on the road and something screws up. Then I got torque wrenches in here. Here's the Ulsa Tools torque wrench, and then a couple more digital Matco and Gearwrench. The Gearwrench digitals are the best way to go. Best bang for your buck. This toolbox it's kind of all scattered because you kind of just have to make things fit when you're in a situation like this. Not all the drawers have a ton of stuff in them. The pliers. This has a bunch of crap down in there. Snap and ball joint press. More stuff in there. More stuff. It's just random. I can't really organize everything exactly how I want it. I'm still working on it, but you know, it may never be perfect. Like I said, you just have to make stuff fit. Wherever it fits, it goes. Because I'm limited on space. This is a Harbor Freight cart. This used to be my diagnostic cart. I had the banana plug connectors there and everything. But as of right now, it's mounted here in my van. I got a bunch of more stuff in here. This massive, huge box is the Matco Radiator pressure tester. It's a master kit, has everything in it to pressure test, to vacuum fill. Very, very nice. I got the very nice Milwaukee Sawzall back there. That thing is legit. It'll cut through anything. This is still my Diag box. It's pretty much just got Diag equipment in it. Everything besides my scan tools, which are down there. This is a bunch of wire repair stuff. Test lights, breakout box, OTC breakout box. That's the best one you can get. Highly recommend that. Voltage readout. It's got all the lights on each one of the pins on the DLC. Very, very nice breakout box. Battery charger, my Snap-on Matco TPMS combo kit there. But yeah, just all kinds of stuff in here. And then underneath here, I keep even more stuff. I got my Milwaukee speaker. Let me get a light so you guys can actually see what's going on here. Milwaukee speaker, a bunch of test probes for diagnostics, some Noid lights, my smoke machine, all the smoke machine adapters. This is a power probe box. I think that's the power probe short circuit tester in there. So yeah, that's the Diag. This is my little, that Milwaukee light's amazing. My charging station, I have two M18, M12 chargers, so I can charge 4 different batteries, and I always keep them loaded with fully charged batteries. This is a Harbor Freight floor creeper for when I'm working out on the ground. Mac Tools pry bars, rags, a broom, a little dustpan, and a little broom to keep it clean in here. 4 jack stands back in here, stacked all the way to the back. Then I got a little cabinet here. This is just mainly where I keep, there's some random oils, some refrigerant up there. Get a lot of AC calls in the summertime, which we're getting ready to go into. Little bolts. This is not everything, but you know, it comes in handy. It's just the Harbor Freight kit, but it has bolts in there in case I need something in a pinch. So it works for what it is. And this last one, I got wire, I got different fluids and things and all the different things you need for working on cars. I got random fluids, like this Honda differential fluid, just left over from jobs. I kind of hold on to it until I know I'm not going to need it anymore. Snap-on brake bleeder. I got some ramps down here. This is a fold-out work table, rolling work table. It's a 3-tier table, and it folds up and stores away very easily. Gearwrench Creeper, one of the best creepers out there. It's very comfortable, very convenient. It has magnetic spots on it, metal spots to put your light. That's the best creeper out there, best bang for your buck by far. I love it. We got a kneeling pad, also Gearwrench. That one's very nice. It's got little cubbies on it to put bolts, and one of them's magnetic. More storage, just milk crates screwed onto a board. I got my AC gauge there to test systems, charge systems, you know, whatever I got to do. Back door swings open. I got my air hose reel on there. I got the little Milwaukee air compressor, the M18 air compressor. It's super, super convenient for what I do. It works out perfect. I don't really use any air pressure besides the air up tires, and for some of my, like my smoke machine and my brake bleeder and the vacuum fill tool, but it will run all of those no problem. So it's a perfect solution for me. I got my bigger floor jack back here that I don't really use that much. It's just a Harbor Freight one. My used fluid tank, my coolant tank. I got some more coolant accessories down there. All my funnels up in this jug. Shut this door. People driving by probably wondering what the heck I'm doing in this white creeper van. But yeah, the air hose just mounted right to the door on a reel. This cabinet right here, this is just kind of my miscellaneous. It's kind of a mess, but like I said, you got to make stuff fit wherever it fits. So I've got a vacuum pump, a couple little pumps here, some spare wipes, a bunch of different caps, miscellaneous just junk and stuff that comes in handy, a bunch of the little plastic clips. I got hose clamps, O-rings, zip ties, sealants, brushes, tape, everything, super glue, whatever you need, it's probably in here. And then down here I keep, that side's locked, but I keep my oils in here. This one's just full of oil too. Then I keep a couple spare tools down in there. I normally keep coolants here and washer fluid. Underhood light, Gearwrench. Underhood light, Monster, which they're no longer a company. They got sued by Monster Energy Drink, and they're not a company anymore. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the van. Here's a shot of it from the back, or from the front. It's a pretty sweet little setup. I have a lot of stuff in here. There's still plenty of room to move around. All the drawers open completely up. I'm trying to think of questions people are going to ask me. There's plenty of room, both sides. Yes, I did think about that before I built this out. I measured everything out. I drew it out on the ground. I put a lot of thought into this thing, a lot of effort, and this is what it is now. I got stuff everywhere. I got straps up there. I got stuff up here, spare tire tools up there, a bunch of cases up there. If there's a spot in here where you can put something, I've got stuff there. But that's the van. That's a quick tour. If you guys got any questions, just shoot them down in the comments. Check out my Instagram channel. I'm way more active on there. You can message me on there and I'll try to get back with you as quick as I can. Thanks for watching.